cute little pinata.
This year, take your Easter egg hunt to the next level with our fun mini Easter egg piñatas. What you'll need: our first step is making the paper mache glue. What I've found works best is 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of water and combine it into a thick consistency. Our next step is to cut up our newspaper strips. Keep them small because that's going to be easier once we get to the balloon stage. Now I've gone with a 12-inch balloon as I find that that's the best for the mini egg. Let a little bit of air out just so you get that really nice egg shape. Now comes the messy part with the paper mache. Make sure you really coat your strips. The wetter the better here, and making sure you do an even coat. 2 coats for this is ideal, but if you stretch for time, 1 thick coat will suffice. So when the balloon's dry, now's the time to do your second coat. Otherwise, it's up to the crepe paper fringing. I've chosen pastels because Easter is all about pastels. Cut off a chunk about 1 inch thick and just fringe it. I've pre-cut a square of crepe and with a little bit of glue, chuck that on the bottom and then attach the fringing in a spiral motion. The Easter egg's really starting to take shape. Now we need to get the balloon out and get our treats inside. Grab your scissors, chop off the top and peel it out. So I've got some mini chocolate eggs here. Chuck them inside. And then a little bit of the confetti as well to really get that magic when it explodes. Very carefully pierce a little hole in either side. That way we can thread the ribbon through. Make sure you cut a length that's going to be long enough to hang it from. And then thread it through the holes. And we're done. Now all that's left to do is crack them open.